Hello, this is our web application intended for car dealerships to keep track of their inventory. We start on the home page with a welcome message. By going up to the navigation link, customers can view cars. Here we have a list of cars available by the car dealership. We can filter by car type, and we can click on the car to see more details. And we see the description and the price. If the customer is interested in seeing the car in person, they can either click this schedule an appointment link, or the schedule an appointment link goes to the same page. And here customers can fill out their contact information for the car dealership employee to reach out to them. We're going to start with their name, test name. Please enter your email. I'll go testemail@email.com. We are interested in the Honda Civic. And in the message, we can type something like, we can fill out our availability. And we can submit the form. Form has been successfully submitted. We see the message. And once a customer has viewed the cars and scheduled an appointment, the employee can log in. We have the employee username up top, just for easy grading. We're going to click the login button, and now we see more navigation links that have been unlocked because we are logged in as the employee. In addition to viewing and scheduling appointments, we can view the appointments, and we can see our customer that just recently requested an appointment. So I can go here as an employee and view the appointment details and reach out to the customer to schedule the appointment for him to come in to look at cars. As an employee, I can also add new cars to the car inventory. We can fill out what type of car it is, the name, description, and price. And we can upload an image of a car. I'm going to go ahead and upload an image of this Mazda 6. And for the car, I'm going to type the car name, 2020 Mazda 6. For the description, I am going to fill out the purchase date. And we can fill out a price for $5,000. Once we fill out the form, we can add the product to the list of cars. The product was added successfully, and we can go to View Cars and view our Mazda 6 that was just uploaded. Next, we can apply an expense to a car, where we can say, for example, if we wanted to give it a fresh oil change once it came in, we can list the price of the oil change and for what car we want the oil change on. I'll put it on the new Mazda 6 we just added and click submit. The expense was added successfully, and we can see under sell car, we can go, and if a customer came in and we sold the Mazda 6, we can remove the product to sell it. And now when we go to view cars, we no longer see the Mazda 6. I'm going to log out as the employee and log in as a manager. Now the manager also has access to the logs of the history of the cars purchased and sold. Here we see cars sold, the 2020 Mazda 6 sold for $5,000, and we have the ID of the Mazda 6. Then here we have all the cars purchased, including the Mazda 6, which with an ID of 11, which we then sold for $5,000. We are still adding in the history of expenses into the history. We are still working on the report section where we can see the total profits, total expenses, and we are still working on the create account page where the manager and employees can create a fresh account for new employees and new managers. And the last thing we're working on is to speed up the process of adding in a new car. We'd like to add in the REST API for a vehicle identification number lookup to make this a little quicker to save time for the employees. And that is our product. Thank you so much for watching.